Data science and AI, are they same? Are they pointing to the same old process? Or it's just the buzzwords that's just running around in both technical and business world? Today, we're going to learn about how AI and data science are related and how we can differentiate so that we could use those words in the right place or in a right term. Let's get it started. If you're new to this channel, I'm Franklin. I talk about AI, growth in startups and mid-sized companies. I help businesses grow their sales and marketing through leveraging AI in every other point of customer's experience they're trying to serve. The term data science refers to the process of refining the information and making or extracting the information to generate actionable insights to support the business activities or to support business decisions. For example, it could be on a business term, it could be analyzing the past sales data to find the clusters or to find information or insights that could be used to tweak the strategy or change the way the product is portrayed or messaging so that we could have the maximum impacts of a product or business in the market. Data science involves using different tools to make sure that we get from analyzing or finding the data towards cleaning it, analyzing it, and visualizing it to make sure that the end stakeholders, that is business people, can understand how it can be used for the further use. On the other hand, AI or artificial intelligence, which is often misunderstood by the industry due to movies or dystopian histories or the business term in itself. But what actually AI means is trying to duplicate or trying to get inspired by how the human intelligence works and putting that into the data context to predict or to make the machines learn and be autonomous. This part of the AI also has the overlap between data science because some of the AI aspects or the process involves deep learning, which is part of machine learning, which is part of data science or which is used in data science in a large part. So the relation between AI and data science is related, but definitely it's not the same and it's not the same way it is used, while data science is more of a process or a framework or a way of doing thing, wherein artificial intelligence has a lot more meaning to it in terms of human intelligence or learning through neural networks which can be duplicated from animals or human brain activities. So these are basically the differences between data science and AI, though the underlying data could be more or less the same type or the way it is used. The term data science and AI, as you know right now, is not the same and it cannot be interchanged to explain something in a more concrete manner, let's say. So this is for today. Hope you find it useful. If not, please drop comments below, or I would love to know what you would like to learn more. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and don't forget to subscribe. It helps a lot for me to do more content and to be more helpful in terms of share things which that helps you to leverage AI into your organization. Thank you very much.